Namaste children. We are going to learn today big friend family's friend. In this series, we will be learning today add to. How to add to on this. So this is the big friend family friends. Why big friend family formula? Because see, if you have filled, you have enough here, the 8 bits already filled here at the ones place, ones rod, and you have to add 2. But you don't have any bits left over here. So now we have to shift. We need to shift on the tens rod. So because 8 is there and we want to add 2. So friend of 2 is 8. Why 8? Because 2 and 8 combines to make 10. 1 and 9 combine to make 10. So friend of 1 is 9. Big friend, not a small friend. A small friend 1, friend of 1 is 4. Small friend where we take support only of the ones rod whenever you have to add the beads on ones rod. But whenever you have filled here the ones rod and you have to shift to tens rod, then take the support of big friend family members. So friend of 1 is 9. Friend of 2 is 8. Friend of 3 is 7 because big friend families, they combine to make 10. So you have to add 2. So less 8 add 10. Formula is add 2 is less 8 add 10. So how to memorize? First of all, let's arrange the beads to memorize the formula and practice of this. So we are making ones, tens, ones, tens, ones rod. We are going to arrange at the ones 8. So ones, tens, ones, tens, ones, tens. Okay, this way ones, tens. Now let's do the practice of formula first. So add 2 is less 8 add 10. Add 2 is less 8 add 10. Add 2 is less 8 add 10. 8 add 10. Okay, we did the practice of formula. Now let's do the questions based on the formula. These all questions are based on this formula. We are not focusing on this concept. Add 2. So less 8 add 10. So let's start. First question is 9. Add 2. So you can, how to add? You need to shift here. Tens rod. So less 8 add 2 is less 8 add 10. 1, 1, then add 5, 18. Again, next question is 9. Add 2. So less 8 add 10. Add 8. Add 2. Again 2. You don't have here bits. So less 8 add 10. Add 2. So this is 23. Now 8. Add 2. Less 8 add 10. Add 4. Add 5. Again add 2. Again use the formula. Less 8 add 10. Next question. 9. Add 2. Less 8 add 10. 1. Again 1. 5. So 10 and 8, 18. Next is 3. Add 5. Add 2. Less 8 add 10. Add 9. Less 4. So this is 15. 8. Add 2. Less 8 add 10. 6. Less 5. Add 2. So this is 13. 2. 7. Add 2. Less 8 add 10. Less 1 add 5. So this is 15. Okay. I hope you are clear in this formula. Keep on practicing. If any doubt, I am here to help you out. If you like this, share with your friend. Subscribe. Thank you very much. Bye.